Welcome to Buycombi. This video introduces Fit Once, the most advanced, patented cartridge available for the Vaillant Glow-worm diverter valve. No drain down is required during servicing. There are two choices of Fit Once kits depending on later or earlier model versions. For early models, we have our market-leading patented extraction tools that enable quick and simple cartridge replacement without removing the whole diverter valve. Fitting the replacement Fit Once cartridge could not be simpler. For the later models, we have the compatible Fit Once cartridge replacement, which is a simple swap over. Servicing is quick and easy. There is no need to drain down the boiler, and the canister seals can be replaced within minutes. Once installed, your customers can sign up to our extended warranty program. For more details and boiler compatibility, go to www.buycombi.com.